Good Wednesday morning, everybody. I'm just watching the weather forecast and I'm not impressed. Another person who's not impressed is Michelle because she wants me to get out the door and leave her alone on her holiday.
No, I don't.
I get to go to work, I win. Oh, wait a minute. Michelle gets a day off. I lose. Anyway, with that, I was going to say something then, but my brain.
Waffling.
Waffle. It's always a good sign. Good to work. Bye. Don't worry about me going out into the snowing weather. You won't, will you? Okay guys, one good thing, I haven't had to scrape snow off the car this morning. It is snowing slightly, but it isn't sticking. Take that as an improvement. Moving on. Hi guys, that's me nearly at work, and I can honestly say what a difference it makes when you get a good night's sleep driving in. I'm definitely feeling a lot more alert. I'll probably be tired when I finish because I've got a hell of a lot of work to do at the minute. And we're very short staffed. But such is the burdens. Everybody else can say exactly the same thing, I suppose. Anyway, halfway through the working week, Wednesday, hump day, as they call it round here. I just call it Wednesday. And halfway through the working week. Can't think of anything else to say, so with that, I am definitely waffling again. So that's 2 waffles in one day. So, I shall move on.
Hi guys. So as Alan explained earlier, I am not at work today. I am waiting for my Ikea delivery to arrive. They've just phoned and said they'll be here in the next 2 hours. It's currently 20 to 11, so they should be here sort of 12, half 12-ish. I don't know if Alan showed you, but when I rearranged his DVD collection, I ended up having to move all of my books. So this, she says as she moves the hoover out of the way, is the reason why I need all the bookcases. It's not nice. My books deserve more love, care and respect than being piled in our hallway. I love my books. I'm also taking advantage of the fact that I am home today to make Alan something extra special for tea, she says, as she realises she's probably pointing the camera up her nose. Sorry about that. And I've managed to pick up a bit of beef that I got on offer at Asda. So I am going to be making him his favourite brisket dinner. So yeah, so I have about 2 hours before the Ikea guy arrives and I'm going to get some housework done. The oil man has been and delivered our heating oil. Thank you for that. We're not going to get cold anytime soon. And do a bit of tidying up, bit of house cleaning. Moving on. Okay guys, so the Ikea people have been and delivered our furniture. So there's all the inserts so we can start Alan's study. And what's in these boxes is bookcases, a storage unit, and a desk. Fun.
Hi guys, that's the working day over with, and that gives us a complete new take on the saying April showers. It's now April snow. Anyway, I'm home. All our furniture got delivered. Michelle's unable to put any of it up because it's all stacked up in a way she can't get at the stuff that she wants to put up. So I'm gonna have to go in and give her a hand getting it out. Then I might watch her build it. In fact, I better still, I'll film her building it. Moving on. So what are you doing?
Building furniture.
Tell you what, I'll set a camera up and watch you from over there. Moving on. Okay guys, Michelle's finished building up the what will be the record storage unit. So we're going to move all them records. Sorry, I rephrased that. Michelle's going to move all them records from out of there and put them in here, and we can play them on our dance set. And she started.
Well, they're all already organised. Getting them into the first unit was the hard part. And now they're all beautifully alphabetised and organised. It's just a matter of moving them and putting them in the right hole.
Okay. Okie doke. Could have said something about that, but I decided not to. Moving on. Dirty minds. Moving on.